Hi everyone, welcome to this vlog. Today is the 4th of July, and what better place to be than in the nation's capital, Washington DC, right here with the National Mall behind me. I'm planning to watch the fireworks show tonight, which should be in less than an hour, so stay tuned.
Hey baby, it's the 4th of July. Hey baby, it's the 4th of July.
I'm here at the National Mall. There are so many people here ready to watch the fireworks. You can see Capitol Hill back there with all the people in front of that lawn. And on the other side, the Washington Monument with a whole sea of people on that lawn waiting. So why do you love America?
Well, I love America because this is one of the countries in the world where everybody, I feel like, I don't want to say has a fair chance, but everybody here has a chance. Nonetheless, no matter where you come from or no matter what ethnicity or background, there is a chance here in America. There is hope. We can do a lot of things here in America.
By the way, folks, I'm not David Copperfield, so if it looks like I'm going to fall, it's not an illusion.
The line for the porta potty. Porta potties are popular at this time. Lots of people have to go.
And that just scared me.
This can only be Providence. Something about that freedom flying, tiptoeing in the ocean tide, and fireworks bursting in our hearts, silhouettes dancing in the dark. It's baptized in your baby blue eyes. We put on a show for the midsummer moonlight sky. Baby, you'll forever be mine. 4th of July.
Now that the fireworks are over, everyone is leaving in a big flood of people. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the fireworks wherever you were watching them, and I hope you had a good 4th of July.
Be Providence. Something about that freedom flying, tiptoeing in the ocean tide.